Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Today I am coming with the newest inspiration for Lemoncraft. I will be creating a heart-shaped card. I'm using Lemoncraft Tomorrow paper collection. Oh, that collection stole my heart. It's so beautiful. I have a free template for you in the description below the video. Please note that the templates are hand drawn by me, they're not symmetrical and not perfect. But if you would like to use it, you are welcome to grab it and print at home. So on the template you can see I have two hearts, one bigger, one smaller. The bigger one I will use to create the card base and also to create my first layer to stick on the card. Then I will I will cut out the smaller one, and this will be the second layer on my card. To create a card base, I'm using A3 size cardstock. It's quite big, and I'm folding it in half, or approximately in half. Then I draw the heart on it. Please remember, if you want your card to open up, to place the template slightly above the folding line. You can also have the folding on your card on the side of the heart. You can try that if you prefer for the card to open to the side. So after drawing the heart on the card base, I am cutting it out, and then I will erase the pencil and the card base is ready. Like I said, I'm using Lemoncraft Tomorrow paper collection. I absolutely love it. I love the colors, and the designs is super pretty. So I'm going to trace the template on 2 layers. I have chosen the papers to go on the card. Actually, later you will see that I have swapped the first layer for a darker paper, because I wanted more contrast, so the one I was cutting out I'm going to use inside the card later. So I'm tracing the bigger layer first, then I'm cutting out the smaller heart and tracing the smaller second layer on my card. Of course, you have to cut everything out, and I think this is the most time consuming part of making the card. And then before attaching the papers to my card base, I decided to add a ribbon. Actually, it's like a cotton lace between the card base and my first layer. I have chosen the lace which is scalloped, not very wide, and I want those scallops to go around my heart. Because I couldn't just attach it in one piece, you will see that I found a simple way of cutting the ribbon in smaller pieces and then sticking them very near each other, so that it will not be even visible that there are in such pieces. But I thought this is the best way of adding that to my heart, and you will see the way I did it. I am very happy with the result. I really like that border, and I think it gives the card additional interest. Before attaching my first layer to the card, I am adding pieces of chipboard to create dimension between the layers. You could use cardboard, double-sided foam pads, double-sided tape, foam tape, something which will create that dimension. And then I will stick on my first layer using glue, and then for the second layer I am before attaching it, I'm going to use the tracing wheel to create false not even stitching, to create like dots around the edges, and then using glue I will attach it to my first layer. Now it's time for the best part, I mean the best for me, creating a composition. I love to do that, and this time I left the process of creating the composition in the video. So I place, you can see how I usually do it. I place the elements on my card, I move them. Actually here I changed the the elements, I mean not the elements, I changed the composition, moved it from the left side to the right side, because I didn't like it on the left side. I couldn't fit the flower there, so I moved the biggest elements to the right side, and then I finished placing the elements. I usually do that before I will stick anything on. Then when I'm roughly happy with the composition, I take everything off and start sticking it on. Sometimes the finished project, actually it is different than my first idea, but it's still okay as long as I roughly know where to attach the elements. You can take the photo of your composition before sticking it on, if you are happy with it, and then follow the photograph. I do it try to remember where the elements were. That's why sometimes it is different afterwards, but it's still okay. I hope you will like watching the process of creating the composition. It is always so much fun for me. I just love to make it. The composition is almost ready. I will add few more beads. If you will be looking for some products, please check the description box below the video. Most of the elements I fussy cut from the Tomorrow paper collection. Flower and some die cut leaves I made using Lady E Design cutting dies. You will find the link for them in the description box as well. To finish off my card, I'm going to add some splats of white acrylic paint mixed with water. I'm using a very small brush to do that. You can skip that step if you don't like that effect. And then I will add glitter. I have two different types of glitter here. One is transparent, the other one is like ivory color. Both chunky pieces, but very delicate at the same time. And that will be it for today. My card actually was inspired by the box you can see below. I bought that box in Hobbycraft. It is a frame box and I wanted to create something special to go in it. And I thought that collection will be perfect, and the heart-shaped card for the wedding, it's perfect as well, right? So this is it for today from me. I hope you liked the video, and if you will create a similar project, please tag me on social media. I will be happy to see your creations. Thank you very much for watching, for all the comments below my videos. Thanks again. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.